All right, guys, we're back for another one. So today we're doing the first of the small changes to the car before it goes in for PPF. And what I'm doing right now is just kind of prepping the outside before obviously it gets wrapped. So I ended up going on IND and ordering their front amber reflector deletes. So these guys will be gone and they will be replaced by a color matched one, which in my opinion just makes the car look so much better. The body lines just flow better. And also I ended up ordering the black line caps to go under the hood. Just give it a little bit of a OEM plus look. Everything just looks too dark in there, and I do kind of miss the carbon fiber boomerang from the M2. So kind of spruce that up a little bit, and I am going to be getting rid of that god-awful X-Drive emblem in the back. It just doesn't belong in an M. So let's go ahead and stay tuned. The items you're going to need for this install are going to be a heat gun or a hair dryer, something to heat up the adhesive on the actual reflector, a pry tool, some alcohol pads, Goo Gone to clean off any residue from the actual double-sided sticky tape that holds on the reflector, and then some paper towels. All right, let's get this installed.